it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Simone. Today we are doing a Tesco food shop for a family of 5. If you're new here, I'm plant-based and my children and husband, they eat meat and eggs and cheese. So I'm going to show you what we've got now. I think we spent £110 this week. Yeah. So I've got all the shopping here, and just before I forget, I don't have any bread here because we bought this from the local bakers. This is baked on the Isle of Man, that's where I'm living. And also, if there's no cases, any more cases, I think everything's going back to normal this Monday. I'm so grateful. So there'll be no social distancing and no need to wear masks wearing on the island. But can you believe, you're saying hi? Bye. Can you believe we managed to get a delivery slot? Yesterday I went on and there were slots for today, which is a miracle. This is the 4th food shop that we've managed to get in almost 3 years of living here. But anyway, I'm going to carry on. So yeah, we've got the flour for wraps for Ryan to make so we can have a picnic, bin bags, wipes. I've got this Biscoff because I've been making baked oats for breakfast sometimes, and I saw a recipe where you put a little dollop of this in and it melts and looks amazing. We've got organic long grain rice for curries, and then I've got this dark soy sauce. Hopefully at the end as well I'll have meals, or at least a meal plan to show you. We've got this rocks cordial, so when we're going out for a picnic we'll make this up and take it out. It's really nice, this, and you just have to add water. And then I got this espresso Italiano for my coffee machine. I've never had this one before. We've got these 2 here for soups and for cooking, and then 2 packs of vegan bacon. I've got 3 soya milks for porridge, but I do have some oat milk left from last week. Yeah, we'll show them that chocolate now. We've got this no more bar to try. I really like these no more bars. Jay from my type of organised got me onto these bars. And then we've got this moo free bunny comb one, and then this one here, which is a hazelnut crunch choc bar. So these are all vegan, so I like to bake with chocolate, and also, like I said, with the baked oats, putting some of this in to melt, it is amazing. I'll try and put a picture anyway. We've got 2 packs of vegan sausages, which I'll put in the freezer. I won't use these all. And then I've got organic tofu because I use tofu every day. Extra virgin olive oil. I've got like a squirty bottle, so I'm going to fill that up. I love using this for cooking, and it's also great for the skin and hair as well. Super sweet corn, some hash browns, and then these organic porridge oats. These are Irish and they're really nice and creamy. I've got 3 lots of Italian chopped tomatoes. Actually, no, I've got 1 chopped tomatoes, and then I've got passata. I usually make my own baked beans, but I decided to buy these, 2 of these this week. And then we've got 2 lots of hummus. These ones were 2 for £2, and it was the same with bacon as well. It was 2 for £4. We've got organic white potatoes, 2 packs of those, broccoli, courgettes, these brown onions, and then a pack of 3 peppers. You get 3 lemons in here, and then we've got curly kale, 2 packs of organic carrots. This is frozen, so there's 2 packs of frozen berries. I think they're like £2 each, and then the pitted cherries, so these are to go on the porridge. And oh yeah, I've got 2 jars of pitted olives, and then I got this jackfruit. I'm gonna try and make like a pulled vegan jackfruit. Do you know, like you get pulled beef or something like that? I've made it before years ago and it was really nice. So I've got some liquid smoke and some other spices and things, so I'm going to use this passata, and if it comes out well I might try and do like a recipe video. Chickpeas for curries, and I've got some chickpeas left as well. And then we've got a pack of 12 eggs, and then I got these egg whites, so we add these to these eggs when the family's having omelette. Cheese, and then we've got mature cheese, and then the meats are mince, that will be for spaghetti bolognese. These chicken portions, I think there's like I got chicken breast, but I was going to get the legs. These should last like over 2 days, these chicken breast portions. So one day will be like for Sunday dinner, and then I'll do something another day. And then we've got some wild salmon fillets. The kids really like salmon. I've got 2 packs of organic bananas, and we've got some organic lettuce. So yeah, so this is everything that I've got. Like I said, I do have a few items left, like butter and spices and stuff like that. I don't know if I told you about the brown sauce as well. This was only really cheap, like 56p I think it was. So yeah, this is everything. So we hope that you like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye! In Southern California, it's where the people came to play.